One day me a interlock, make a fine marketer.
Hi my guy, how you doing? I'm just coming back from India now. I've got power to make you rich.
You come from India?
Just coming back from India now. See? Just coming back from India. No, now I want to help you to be rich. I don't like you roaming about the street like that.
Me, rich.
I will make you rich. I can double any amount of money for you. Now.
Double any amount?
I mean, I've got power. You see? I have power to double any amount of money. Try me.
You make me rich for doing any amount.
I will
Any
make
amount
you
of money,
rich.
bros.
I mean, you'll be crazily rich.
Bros, you mean any amount?
I mean, any amount. I will double it for you.
Okay. You get this money, why don't you save? Why don't you save? I don't save this money since my mother born me. As my mother dropped me from her womb like this. I don't save this money. Any money you're dashing like this, I will save her. I don't save this money since my mother born me till you. I did 23 years old now. The problem is, when I just need now, transport. My house get far from here. I need to stay around there. I need transport. I go get this. I don't receive her since my mother born me. I just need transport.
Transport?
Transport will bring money.
Transport won't be a problem.
Transport,
no problem. That won't be a problem, man. Transport is not a problem.
Now you just go bring her. No, go bring her.
I like people like you're serious. You
I
make
don't
it.
make money. I don't make money, bros. I don't make money. I don't receive money that small. Bros, I want now. Make miscellaneous. I need miscellaneous. You know understand?
Sharp guy.
Miscellaneous.
I like it. Is it English?
English, India, all of them. Just miscellaneous. You know, this 2000 now. 1,000 for transport, 1,000 miscellaneous. You understand?
You're wise, man.
Now go bring her. I don't receive money that small. I come.
Yeah.
No,
don't do that.
okay. You know what you
No,
got?
no. I don't take that, man. So what about the money?
I go bring money now.
What?
20 naira.
Oh my God.
You da, come out there. You know where I'm from? Bros, I'm from Abuja. You know be India. I be India. So you don't. Okay. What of my money? Bros, I don't use 1,000 miscellaneous now.
What?
That's transport.
I kill you. Here, come on. Where my money? I kill you. I kill you. What should you do with my money?
What? Funka? I want to hear of this. I hear me.